everybody, today is 18th of Jan and this is the last weekend before I actually go home for the wedding. So I have a lot of things to do today. The moment I got up, I made a to-do list. Also, I have been wearing my down jacket every single day here. It is extremely cold, especially in the night here in Gurgaon. I think the temperature dropped to 4 degrees the other day and it was just too cold. I have lived in the mountains for so many months, 2 years almost, and I felt like it's going to snow here.
Wow.
The more I try to sleep on time these days, the more it's getting late due to some or the other reason. I really don't know how I'm going to get my so-called beauty sleep before the wedding. So the first thing that I have on my to-do list is to get a workout done. It's already 12:15 honestly in the afternoon. So I in fact got a few things done in the morning, but the major things that are left are for the rest of the day. So a workout is the first thing that I want to take off because otherwise I won't find the time to do it. This particular workout is something that we used to do during the lockdown period. So me and my dad, my mom and my sister, all four of us would do this every single day during lockdown period, and all of us got really fit doing it. Otherwise, I usually use the gym at our office, but because today is a Sunday and the gym is closed, I thought let me get this workout done. So let's go.
I'm working out 30 minutes a day is Ritvik's responsibility. So can make sure that I'm drinking 3.5 liters of water is Anajna's responsibility. Yeah, वो वाला match वो सही चल रहा था पता है.
2, 1. Stay those legs out for parallels. The harder it's going to be. More time than ever. Including locking your knees out and letting your legs rest. You want those legs to constantly be having to work. So keep it going. Go.
2,000 years later.
That was our last stretch, which means this workout is complete. Very well done, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.
Done taking a bath. I feel all fresh, all good, and it's lunchtime now. I was dreading this task since today morning, but now is the time when I really have to do it. एयर प्यूरीफायर बंद करते हैं वरना आवाज़ आ रही है पीछे बैकग्राउंड नॉइज में. Alright, so this is the condition of my room right now. Everything is super messy. I basically need to pack my bag for home, and why this is so tricky is because I also need to pack stuff for our trip. We are going to New Zealand for our honeymoon, and I need to take my clothes from here to home क्योंकि घर में कुछ नहीं है. जो मेरे कपड़े हैं सब इधर ही है. So I have to take that as well with me. So basically lots of things to carry, and I don't think 15 and 7 kgs में वो आने वाला है. So I might actually have to pack some of my clothes into a carton and then courier it home. I am so not looking forward to doing this. Also, I was working out today and I was doing the same routine that I used to do back in COVID during the lockdown. And surprisingly, today it felt way more easier. I think it's also because I have been working out very regularly whenever I'm here in Gurgaon. When I'm home, it gets a little difficult with all the wedding prep going on, but it did feel easy, and even after the workout, after it ended, I felt like I could do more. I love that feeling. You know, that's when you actually see the progress. That's when you actually feel it. Otherwise, you keep doing your usual routines and you don't really get to know how much you've progressed. And today felt good, and that's what I wanted to share with you all. It's been an hour. I have been trying to shortlist some of my clothes that I have to take home, and the bag is overflowing as I expected. I have to look for a courier service. I actually thought that I'll maybe just get a big box or a carton somewhere from the market and then pack everything and then go to a courier service and then get it shipped to my home. But I decided to just give it a shot and searched online what are the kind of courier services available, and I found this one particular service which comes to your doorstep to pick your packages and then does the entire packaging for free of cost. So they will only get the cartons, they will pack it for you, and they will wait in front of you, and then they will send it to your destination, which I thought was super convenient. I was trying on my old denim shorts and they fit me. I'm so happy. There was a time when they were too tight for me and they perfectly fit me now, which is awesome. I am super hungry. It is 9:40 in the night and I should have had my dinner by now, but look at this, everything's fine. So these two are the bags that I'll be carrying with me in the flight, and these two bags that you see are something that I need to courier home. I need to figure that out tomorrow. The black one that you see there, those are the clothes that I'll be wearing tomorrow and day after, and that's my laptop bag. I'll have to carry that as well. This is today's dinner. We have some tomato rice and some palak soup, and I am watching Shark Tank.
डाइनिंग वाले असली खुर्चा
कैसे अब नहीं दिख
हो राहुल भाई तो
Hello, good morning everybody. Today is the last day of office before I leave for my chutti. Very pleasant day today. I am waiting for my cab to arrive, cab as in the auto to arrive. But the weather has been really good. It's not too cold, it's not too hot, it's very pleasant. I am going to miss this weather honestly when I go home. I'll come back after a month almost, so I am going to miss this. But super excited. I actually couldn't sleep well last night. I slept late around 12:31 and then got up at 8. Just super excited, super pumped to go home and start all the wedding prep. I think my auto is here. आगे से लेफ्ट. Done with my gym and I am going home now, and then I'll pack, I'll have food and I'll leave for Pune. So excited. I packed but all of them are overweight. एक बार वापस check करने को. This is my handbag. This itself weighs 7 kgs.
वीडियो है.
फोटो भी ले लिया एक तो.
She's gonna get married, and when she comes, she'll be a married woman. She's going singing. My God, lady. She'll be a wife. I'll miss you though for a month.
Bye home. Be nice. Bye. I'll see you in a month. Having these mixed feelings. I don't know. Suddenly, as I'm leaving home and Didi and Dhruvi did aarti for me and everything, it just feels very overwhelming. So I spent about 2.5 hours making this tiny travel guide for whoever is coming all the way from their cities, because I have a lot of friends who are coming from different parts of India, and I thought it would be nice for them to just see my recommendations around Pune and maybe explore those whenever they have time in between the wedding festivities. So I was doing that for the whole time. I found a desk and a chair at the airport, and I was sitting there and working on that, and it didn't feel like 2.5 hours at all. I had a lot of fun. I put my earphones and I was listening to music, and I was working on the project that I have in my hand. So it was quite fun. Now I think I should go to the boarding gate. So much leg space, yay! Good night.